Okay, what I can see, what we are doing now is selecting a disease. We can select any disease that we want. Now we can select any one of the ICD-9 disease. Let's select here Alzheimer's, so we know we are familiar with its behavior. And then we can query the actual system, the actual EMR, or we can create our fabricated data. Let's start from querying the actual EMR. I'm working with the EMR, I'm inside the hospital, I'm inside my establishment. So let's do my data. So in my real data, there is a peak for Alzheimer's disease at age of 77, and there is another peak at 86, 87, 88. There are no patterns less than with ages less than 57 and more than 90. Let's look in different states what is the situation. So we see that New York, California, Florida are the stars, and as we go to smaller states there is less Alzheimer's disease patients. Now what we will do is create a virtual set, a synthetic set of data. We can select the number of patterns that we want to have. Let's select 1500 now. So now we will run a system. It will almost instantly create, by the statistics inside my database, inside my EMR, 1500 virtual patterns. Now put it in Excel. So now this is what I got. So I see here virtual people. These are not real people. The names are virtual. I just fabricated them. You see the age it's okay for Alzheimer's disease. They are not young people. And let's look at the statistics of the fabricated data. So we'll just create here. We have here 1500. You see we have 1500 patterns. And now we'll do a pivot table. Let's make a pivot chart here. And let's see the age distribution. So we see here the peak at 77. We see that the same behavior we have on the fabricated data with the real EMR. We can learn from the fabricated data to the real EMR. And when we look at states, one second, we'll have to do here a sorting so it will be more clear what we see. Okay, we just sorted the data. Okay, we see here New York, California, Florida. We see here the big states and then the smaller ones down the trail. The same behavior we see here for the real data and for the fabricated data. But now we have new parameters. We can cut and slice outside our hospital. Let's see by female. So if we will slice this by female, we have a different distribution. So now we can learn outside of the hospital, totally safe, without no problem of privacy. New set of patterns, new set of information, and out of it we can have the statistical information without the fear of losing privacy. That's MDClone. Thank you very much for listening to us.